Okay guys, welcome to my channel. This is the Shark Lift Away Pro Steam Pocket Mop. So we're going to test this out today on these floors of mine, which are porcelain tile, and they really need badly to be mopped because we still have construction going on in the house. So not only is there a little drywall dust, there's the remnants from Christmas baking and everything else on them. So it will be a good test to test this mop out. So I'm going to open the box and I'll show you what's inside. This is the inner box. This is the box you would probably see in your store if you're looking for it, and it's the Shark Lift Away Pro Steam Pocket Mop. It also has the ability to clean other surfaces because it has the onboard tools and accessories, and I'll show you more of that. But let's open it up, and you never have to touch the dirty pad again because, you know, it just, to put it on, you don't have to, like with the other pocket mop that I used to have, you used to have to like put it on almost like a pillowcase. So you would have to touch it, taking it off. Putting it on is not so bad, touching it because it's clean, but taking it off is pretty nasty. So now they've eliminated your need to have to touch that, but it's still a pocket mop. So we'll show you how it works, and I'll show you what's in the box. Okay, first it says, congratulations. Thank you for choosing the Shark Lift Away Pro Steam Pocket Mop. And then over here on the flaps gives you their website. Go to sharkaccessories.com for useful tips, cool accessories, or to register your product, or you can call them at an 800 number, which is there on the flap. That's nice to have. Questions or problems, do not return to the store, and it gives the number again. So let's see what we have here. Okay, we have the manual and the quick start guide. So this is the quick start guide, and then this is the full manual. This is the S3973 series, and this is the owner's guide. Also have the 800 number here, and for problems. This is a more detailed look at everything, and this will get you up and running fast, the quick start guide. So okay, so the first thing we see is what's inside, and this is what we're going to find when we open it up. So let's do that. Here is a pad. Now I think you only get one pad with this, which I was already going on and ordering additional pads because one pad will never do. But they do sell replacement pads, and you can find them on Amazon. I'll put a link so you see that into the product. And then we have, this is for cleaning, like I said, your other surfaces. These are your onboard tools. So let's put that down. That's the hose and all that good stuff. Okay, and then this is another accessory tool that's going to clean other surfaces. So you can clean, like my other pocket mop had a lot of other accessories. There's one that was like a long cylinder, but this would clean other surfaces in your home, your ceiling fans, your stove hood, or anything like that. And you have like a scrubby side and then this softer side. And then this, I think, is the garment steamer attachment, it looks like to me. Or it could be your fabric to do draperies, things like that. And there's a pad here that you change like that with the brush. So this is probably your upholstery, draperies. Might be at work for fabrics too to steam them. I don't know. We'll see. Here's the head. So this says remove before using, of course, the cardboard. touch-free technology. Oh, there are 2 pads, so that's good. I don't know where I read that there was only 1 pad included, and I was thinking that's not too good. But there are 2 pads included, so that's good. I was by extra because I like to have them. Now, on the back of this, it does give you step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 for attaching it. Now, of course, so we'll take a look at that in a second, but there's the instructions on how to do that, but I think I have to hook it up to the handle. So let's take that. It has it's called the IntelliMop head, touch-free technology, no more bending over or wrestling with dirty wet pads. Attach and release the dirt grip pads without touching them. And here's you have your water cup. And here's the handle. There's a bolt here, a screw. That over here. And there's the handle. And now we need the tank. I'm going to flip the cord and all that. Okay. Alright, so we've got this. And okay, so this must push here to release, flips away, get rid of this. There's the tank, and this is the part that'll be the handle.
What's the handle?
We'll put this back here, and then here's our handle.
It holds the handle. Goes like right in this.
We put the handle in first, so that we see that this has to go this way because of the cord holder, so this should slide in there, I think.
There's a nice push on it. Is it going in?
Okay, that's
Is
it,
the
and
screw
then
right
it
in?
looks like we put the bolt right there.
Phillips has screwdriver.
Alright, so we're going to just tighten that up with a Phillips head screwdriver. Securely on, and now we're just going to put the mop head in. Leaving it to, oh, I don't think that's the right way. It has to go this way. There we go. We have button for tools low and high. Right here, button, indicator lights for tools low and high. And this is our steam control. Over here, I've taken the little cap off. So we fill it up, pour it out of the way. It already sounds pretty good, huh? So the steam is starting. Like other Shark mops, steam mops, sometimes you have to push the handle back and forth to get steam. This doesn't have, you don't have to do that with this mop. Okay, so it's doing a good job. It's not leaving the floor wet. It is cleaning the floor. There are a couple of little white spots, but I think they are paint from when the contractor painted the ceiling, so I just probably have to just flick those off the tile. I'm going to finish up in here. I'll let you know how it did, and then I will show you the onboard tools. Everyone, welcome back. I've lifted the reservoir off of the mop, and I have it here on the counter. I'm going to show you how to attach the onboard tools for the upper cleaning. The garment steamer, which is 3 pieces. There's just this small, what's called above floor pocket tool and pad. There are no small brushes that are there, that are included. And then this is 3 pieces. This piece, you've got your steamer pad, so this can be washed. And then this is the base. But we're going to look primarily right now at this piece right here. So I am going to put this back on. Okay. You just, make sure you can see this, tighten that up with this toggle. Okay, so now it's nice and snugly. And then this will attach onto this. And that's how that will attach. You'll hear it click. To release it, you press those 2 buttons. But we're going to leave it attached. We're going to attach this right here. So this is going to go on. You heard it click. We're all ready to go now with that. Bring you over here to my double oven where a lot of holiday baking has been done. And you can see there's drips and marks and stuff like that. So we're going to see how well the steamer does. Using it, you'll see that it's on the tool setting. Okay. Now there's a trigger here. And when I push that, it's going to create steam. And I'm using the soft side because right now I'm going to always go softer. Okay, so it's got rid of all those drips. And then I'm going here. You can come up here. To use the scrubby side. Get my steam coming out again. There it is. It's already taken care of it. To use paper towels and stuff on my appliances. And I'm just going to go into this crevice right here where it's gotten everything out, but you can see what a nice job it has done there. Cover it once more and then wipe it immediately with a towel to get the stuff out of the crevice. excellent job on that. Now you see there's some goo right here, so I'm just going to use my soft side. Get that goo off. And then I'm going to continue just to heat up the area in order to make sure that there's no greasy residue left. And I mean, that heats the stainless up, so this is really good for sanitizing your home, okay? Because it's heating up the surface, and of course you're going to want to use care. Never heat up a refrigerator shelf with hot heat, especially because you'll shatter the shelf. If you don't know that, even washing with hot water can do that. So don't learn that lesson. Just quickly give it a shine and it takes care of that. Okay guys, so far so good. I would give this a good review because I was able to clean my oven and got all that out. I even got stuff off the glass inside on the bottom, because I don't like to use the self-cleaning cycle because it ruins your oven. And this is a brand new oven. So I was able to get out whatever I needed. And so happy. I even did my microwave and my stand mixer. So I would give it a good review. When you have the mop and you want to release the dirty pad, you just pull the mop up into this position and you push down on the release and it will release, so you're not touching anything. Now to put a new pad on, let me show you how that works. So you put your pad on the floor and then you see where it says insert. You gently make sure that your mop is there, and then that's it. Your mop has its pad on. You haven't touched a thing. Even though it's a clean pad, you don't have to worry about it. The other thing I'm going to show you is the burst of steam you get from flipping the mop head. So let me put this on to high. Now, okay, it's this way. Now you flip it. So you have the head like this. So now you're going to flip it like this, right? Now watch. You see the burst? Okay? It's got to be flipped with the red facing out, okay? So it's not just, it works one way. Now I've got some extra steam to help get anything tough off. Okay, so you're mopping, mop, you need some extra steam. You flip it, okay, you're flipping it like that, and now you see that steam, that extra steam, okay, and that's going to help you get anything off the floor. So, like I said, I'll be doing more videos with the steamer, but this is the Shark Lift Away Pro Steam Pocket Mop, and I think I've showed you most, if not all, of the features right now. Some of the great features is hard to know, but if I've showed you everything. But if I haven't, let me know something you want to see, and I again will be doing more videos with it. But I hope that you liked the introduction to this mop. And if you have this mop, let me know. If you're considering this mop and you have questions, you can ask them in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. If this video has helped you, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and follow us so that we can bring you more great stuff. Thanks for helping, guys. Bye-bye.